Are you tired of catching yourself hunched over like you're carrying the world on your shoulders? You're definitely not alone. With all of us spending more time looking down at our phones or sitting at computers, that pesky forward head posture and rounded shoulders have become a real problem for seniors. Good news, no fancy gear or gym needed. Today, I've got two simple exercises for seniors that will have you standing tall and confident in just minutes and right at home. Let's start with the posture miracle worker, wall angels. Face a flat wall and stand with your back against it. Place your feet about 6 inches away from the wall. Raise your arms up like goalposts, elbows bent at 90 degrees. Press your back, arms, and hands flat against the wall. Great job! You're already doing awesome. Now, slowly slide your arms up the wall like making snow angels, keeping everything in contact with the wall. Then bring them back down. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 reps. This move strengthens upper back muscles and stretches tight chest muscles, perfect for reversing slouching. If your arms lift off the wall, that just means you've got some mobility to work on, and that's totally normal. Next up, let's move on to our second game changer, chin tucks. This one's perfect for seniors because you can do it anywhere, sitting in your favorite chair or standing in line at the grocery store. Sit tall with relaxed shoulders. Now, gently pull your chin straight back, like you're making a double chin. Sounds silly, but trust me. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Do 10 reps. These chin tucks work wonders on forward head posture and strengthen the deep neck muscles that hold your head up proud and tall. You're doing great. Keep it up. That's your simple 2-exercise posture fix for seniors. Do wall angels and chin tucks daily, and in a week or two, you'll feel taller, breathe easier, and stay independent. You've got this. Try these exercises for 1 week and see how you feel. I bet you'll be standing a whole lot taller.